Let me show you how to install a 3-prong cord. Remove the terminal block cover plate. Install the cord anchoring clamp. Open the anchoring clamp and remove the 3 cord holding screws from the terminal block. Stick the cord through the anchoring clamp. Align the cord with each one of the terminals on the terminal block like this. Make sure that the middle wire on the cord connects to the middle terminal on the terminal block. Screw in each one of the screws to secure the cord to the terminal block. Close the anchoring clamp by screwing in the 2 screws on the clamp. This will hold the cord in place, and if somebody pulls the dryer by the cord, it won't rip the wires from the terminal block. Install the terminal block cover plate and you're done installing a 3-prong cord. Disconnect the dryer from the wall outlet. Remove the terminal block cover. Loosen up the cord anchor screws. Remove the screws that hold the cord to the terminal block. And remove the cord. Stick the 4-prong cord through the anchor clamp, like this. Spread the wires like this. We're going to work with the white wire first. Disconnect the ground wire from the cabinet. You're going to put it together with the white wire from the cord, and you're going to install them on the neutral terminal on the terminal block like this. Next, install the red wire from the cord to the right terminal on the terminal block. Next, install the black wire from the cord to the left terminal on the terminal block, like this. And last, grab the green wire from the cord and connect it to the cabinet like this. This is your new ground wire. Make sure that each one of the screws are tightened good so you have a good connection. Next, tighten the screws on the cord anchor. Install the terminal block cover and you're done replacing a 3-prong cord with a 4-prong cord.